So I thought to myself, why don't I make a video where I give you a profitable niche with a little bit, only a fraction of the competition that you'd normally find. Let's begin.
Right now on Etsy, as you can see here, I have the keyword printable games, right? And there's all kinds of games here. But you can see the competition is fierce with over 200,000 results with ads. Okay, so it's pretty fierce. We wanna, we wanna niche down. We wanna use those modifiers, those adjectives to get to more newbie friendly niches. So there's many ways to do that, but one of my favorite ways, if you watch my channel, then you know, is to use Google Trends. And you put in the root keyword, printable games. I have it here for the past 12 months and in the United States. Okay, that's my biggest market is the US when it comes to printables. And I scrolled down here and I found this really cool sub niche here that's breaking out in popularity. Okay, breakout, printable road trip games. This is very concise. You know exactly what these people want. They want to be entertained when they're on their way to Disney World or whatever, you know. And travel is opening up little by little every day. You know, things are getting better with the pandemic. Here's hoping, right? Anyways, and also on the left, you see some really cool breakouts, some categories within printable niche that you can explore on your own. Scavenger hunt, that makes perfect sense for printables. Tournaments, autumn topics. Well, this is kind of difficult to unravel, but these two are pretty self-explanatory, right? And also basketball tournaments. You can create games that way. Of course, you want to create games around printable ideas that are already selling. So whatever keyword you find using this tool, make sure you back it up with Etsy, because Etsy is a real live marketplace where people are buying and selling. Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself, or actually I'm going off on a tangent. What I want to do is with you explore printable road trip games. Okay, like I said, like I shown you, I've made money with printables for a long time, and anybody can. It's not difficult to do. Okay, now printable road trip games has a much favorable result count of almost 700, around 672 results, including ads. Okay, again, very niche specific. We know what they want. We know their problem, right? Their problem is they don't want to get bored. Maybe they're with kids and they don't want their kids to get bored on the way. Okay, and at the same time, I can also assume they don't want to use tablets. They don't want to use computer screens or anything like that. They want their kids to engage their mind and their imagination at the same time. Okay, we can assume these things. Okay, so there are a lot of bundles here. I want to make things nice and simple. Okay, here's a simple little idea. So here we have counting colored cars, right? You can do this because, well, there are other printable road trip games here, like this one here in the back, towards the back, is again counting colored cars. So you can definitely do that. Okay, so now we need to source some free to use images, backgrounds, so forth, or you can pay for it on Fiverr for very cheap. I recommend, if you're starting out, do it on your own for free. It's not difficult, but once you get some cash going into your printable business, then you want to reinvest it into these templates. Okay, so let's do it the free way. Okay, so here I have in Pixabay, I have this looks like clip art, but I have I have the license here, the Pixabay license, free for commercial use, no attribution required. So this perfectly fits in with what we're doing here. Road trips. We have a family with a kid in the background here. I also got this off of Pixabay as well. It's a vector graphic. You can search for different types of graphics here. Same thing with this one. I went with illustrations. Okay, and I downloaded this as well. Again, a road, self-explanatory. And I'm here on this blank sheet here, this blank template, and just to make sure you understand, following along, we're going to be making an 8.5 by 11 inch printable game here. Okay, so this is standard US letter size, your standard white print out paper, right? Okay, nothing too crazy, right? So here I am in uploads. This is Canva. I just use the free version. Here I am in uploads. Don't mind these weird graphics. I'm in the process of creating a printable right now, actually, in a different niche. Okay, anyways, I'm going to be using these two images here. I'm going to just click on them. You want to make it look good. You don't have to be a great designer or anything like that. Just make it look decent. You know what I mean? And try to be better than your competition. That's some advice there. Okay, so I have the road back here. I'm gonna need one of these graphics of a car with a family. So I'm gonna take my mouse here, bring it towards the middle here, so I can isolate this top blue car. Right? Check this out. Now I just have this car. Look at that. Isn't that cool? This car I have. Now I'm gonna put it on the road. Okay, put it on the road. Maybe like that. Looks like it's winding down the road. Very nice. Now I want to give it a background. What I'm going to do is go to elements. I'm going to click this square. You can just look for square within the Canva elements. And don't worry, you're free to use this. You can't copyright a square, right? So I'm going to put it towards the back here. Expand on that square. Color it dark green or whatever terrain you want it to color. And position to the back, okay, like that. And as you can see, it's pretty simple to do. If you want to, you can even go back to Canva, look for trees and whatnot. Let's look for trees. Give you some examples. Trees like that, and again, a lot of these, if not all of them, are public domain or open source, I should say. You download them, upload them to Canva, and add them right here, right, if you want. Personally, I think this graphics, even though I think it's essential, is taking too much real estate on my printable. So I'm going to copy over everything, group it together as a group, and bring it down a little bit. Because again, it's taking up too much space. Like that. Okay, cool. So we have our little image here. What we want to do now is counting colored cars. That makes sense. So I'm going to go to text. I'm going to have something of a nice font going. Remember, your font has to be open source or public domain. Really important, right? So a lot of Google's fonts are open source. I want to say all of them are, but I can't say that. I know most of them, the ones that I've searched for, they are open domain, right? Or sorry, open source or public domain. Okay, Noto Sans, what is that like? Let's see if they have it here on Canva. No, yeah, Noto Sans. I'm gonna do that. See what that looks like. Okay, the point here is you can find a nice open source, because Google has a ton of them. A nice open source font to use in your printable. Okay, so let's name this Counting Colored Cars. And that's a little bit too big. And let's bring this up towards the top here, and let's see if some fonts will allow you to do this, some fonts won't. You're able to change the colors between you change the letters to different colors. So let's see if I can do that with this one here. Okay, seems like I can do that. Okay, with the O, let's go with a dark green. Let's go with a blue here, like that. Let's go with dark orange. Let's go with a, let me see here. Let's go with a pink. Let's go with green. And let's keep this one. Wait, one more. Let's go with red again. Boom, like that. Okay. So counting colored cars. It's self-explanatory, right? So we're gonna put a number of cars here. Let's go back to Pixabay. Put in cars. Let's see what comes up for vector graphics. Or actually, let's go with illustrations instead. Illustrations. Nice little car I can duplicate here. Let me see. Okay. Let's go. I want something cartoony. Not too cartoony, but cartoony enough. Okay. So this is an interesting one. Yeah, I think I'll take this and download. Because, this is zipping by. If you're on a highway and a freeway, cars aren't moving that slowly. So it makes for a good game, wouldn't you say? Go to uploads. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're liking this video so far. It really helps out the channel. Okay, cool. So how does this work here? We got these circles. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is check this out. Okay. I'm gonna shrink that like that. Line it up here towards the left and duplicate. Wait, am I allowed to duplicate here? What's going on? Let me reset this. Here we go. Boom, duplicate. Good. And bring it like that. Make sure it's lined up. Now watch this. Now watch this. This is cool. Wait. Watch this. Oh, by the way, I learned this recently. This towards the bottom here, you have a magnifying glass built in within Canva. I don't know if this is new. Let me know because I found this out a couple days ago. Okay, like that. Check this out. I'm gonna group this and then duplicate. So now, my work becomes twice as easy. Now I can make it 4 times as easy, right? So ungroup, group, and duplicate. Boom. Okay, you can have a printable up in no time. And you can do the same thing, or let's make things easier for us for example's sake and just increase the size of what we already have. Beautiful, just like that. Now what's next is we want little spaces where they can check the cars, right? So let me go to elements and let me use this one right here. Let's save our customers some money. Let's keep things, we do want some color, but not too much, right? Because color is going to cost our customers money. So let's keep the color to a minimum to save, right? To save. Okay, like that. Duplicate. You follow along. Everything is very easy to do. I have no artistic skills whatsoever. Canva literally guides my hand because, as you can see, these little pinkish purple lines that show up, almost like a grid that snaps my designs into place, which is, as you can imagine, extremely handy. I'm gonna do one more. You're just moving it along using your mouse, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag over all of them, click group. Let's increase the size of that like that, and I'm gonna duplicate and duplicate and oh, that wasn't right. Actually, I'm gonna ungroup, group, and duplicate. Boom, like that, making life much easier for me. And duplicate and make sure everything lines up. I'm gonna ungroup and get rid of that bottom row there. Now we need to color these cars. So what I'm gonna do is a nice little solution to do this is just to use this square again and use different colors, right? Like that. Position backwards, see what that looks like. Okay, I dig it. Okay, cool. And continue with that so that you get, position backwards. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna duplicate that. Beautiful. Now we have our color game. Now you might want to put instructions here. This person has instructions. See how many of each color you can find. Let's put that in there. Why not? Let's just duplicate this. Shrink it down a bunch. And let's bring it down so that we can change the wording. Maybe change the font as well. And I'm gonna, let me see here. How many of each can you find? Question mark. And there you go. Let's make this smaller. Italic. Italic. And here we have our printable, okay? So it's a simple game in a proven niche. Okay, we see that people are buying in this niche, and again, very little competition. I don't know what else I can tell you. This is an actual way people are making money online that most newbies can jump into right now for free. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, I did this off the cuff. I mean, I did research it a little bit, but really after I found this niche, I'm like, I'm gonna share it with you guys. And I hope you liked it. Okay, be good, take care. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And be well. Bye-bye.